Hi guys, it's Anaya. Today, I tried so freaking hard to make my channel, and it's not working at my new YouTube channel, and it's not accepting the username for some name or the email. So I decided to do another video, another rock. He wanted me to quit, and I want to tell him that I'm never gonna quit, and I can do what I want. So what I'm gonna do, what's inside my old phone? I don't use my old phone much. Me and my sister share chargers for this phone, but I don't use it. I'm also thinking of putting a pop socket on this phone. Oh my god. So that's that. So we're gonna be checking what's in my phone. So it's 6:40. That's my background. So it looks like I have this cute little background of a little foal and teddy bear, and it's so freaking cute. Now let me unlock. Okay, when you go on my phone, they have Jeebles. Can't show this. That's very personal. And because I can't blur it out, I don't have the animation. Okay, so when you first go on my phone, this is how it looks like. So they have just camera, FaceTime, calendar, photos, videos, calculator, reminders, OLTs, notes, maps, contacts, weather, App Store, YouTube, settings, and web, voice memos, and then the mail, music. Okay, so there is all the things, and then the bottom. In the bottom they have mail, music, Safari, and messages. Let this focus. Come on, focus. Okay, so when you swipe like this is the picture. That's me. And then that's Alora. Guys, do you remember my half video where Alora was there. That girl was there. She was there. She grew up a lot. And by the way, it's starting to turn like afternoon, so that's why it looks like this. Before it was more like morning. So she came to my birthday party in August, but mine is July. So okay. I'm not showing you this part because it says where my address is, so I'm covering that part because I can't blur that out. It's really hard to do that, so. Okay. How it looks like. Okay, so on this, it says, in my lifestyle, it's not really my lifestyle. I don't really use these things. Stocks, iTunes, Google, Vesiscope, Live. Oh, we got Vesiscope Live. Show you Vesiscope. That's Vesiscope. We use that for a green screen for video, but it turned out it was deleted footage, so I can't get that on air. Wallpapers, HD Wallpapers, Game Center, Netflix, The Bible, and Cars.com. And then they have my section, Anaya. I haven't used this phone until I was like 6, so I had a lot of old things on here. A SpongeBob game, LPS, a Nails game, Starfall, Barbie, a pet game, and Hair Salon too. And then is where me and my friends always played on this. So we Robbity Bod, Easy Bake, Yoki, Princess Salon, Wedding Salon, Libby Hospital, Ocean Hospital, Brain Pop Jr., and Georetic Light. So yeah. So guys, so that's what's on my phone. Also, see the pictures on my phone. Okay. There might be some pictures that I can't show you because sometimes I put private pictures in here. Okay, so I was trying to take a good shot of the view, but it turned out real bad because the trees were covering it and there was a awesome sunset. Oh, this is worth it. I kind of look at that. This is beautiful. This one I don't like so much. I think I'm gonna delete this one because it's not really a good one. I was trying not to get their license plate. Okay. And this one, we were like, and then that's me. This is when I had my nails on, my 2 nails on, but now they just fell off. This is me and my sister, and then a cute little foal with a teddy bear. So cute. I like this one. It's one of my favorites. So this one, this is a little horse, and it says, I want a horse like that, and I want to name it Coco because I don't know. I smile. It says, I smile when I catch God watching me through the eyes of a horse. Touching. And this, and me and my sister, me and my sister. Oh, this is one of my musicallys of me and Valeria. You could see me doing that. Boris, a little do you know I'm trying to make myself a piece by piece. I really miss Valeria. Hopefully I see her. If I ever see her and I catch her in an airplane, then I'm gonna film that. It's gonna be memorable. This is when we were moving. This is my old house. It's a bunch of pictures. And this is Valeria. That's me, my little cute pom-poms. And that's Valeria, my best friend. Well, one of my best friends. And then, sorry, Madeline also watches my channel, so sorry if I'm showing you. I could delete it if you want to. That was just me. Valeria took this picture with me, Madeline. Then this me with Madeline and Valeria. Me and Valeria are really close friends with Rosanna and April. And I think that's just like, oh, bad lighting. I'm gonna turn on the lights. It's starting to get real bad lighting here. So Valeria was just like a great friend of mine. And then this is me and Malondra. the girl in my front of the picture. That's not important. That's not important. This is real cute. Painted it. One of my favorites. One of my favorites. I want to show me and my mom because I don't know. This is just a bunch of American Girl doll photos because I was just like those girls. I just thought at that point I didn't think that I was gonna get American Girl, but now I got Mary Ellen, so thanks. So that's McKenna, and then McKenna, and then McKenna, and then McKenna, McKenna, and then they have all the girls, some of the girl of the years: Nikki, Mia, Carissa, Lainey, Kanani, McKenna, Sage, Isabel, and Grace. Then Leah, Sage, Isabel, Leah. No, me with my cute little mini ears. These are the videos to my party, and we had like a Shopkin party, and it was real fun with Valeria. That was like the last party I saw her. That was the last party I was with her. And that's us, Alondra. Okay. So this picture, we were going to the beach, and I had this stuffed animal that I took everywhere. I was so young. I was with an M&M. I look like I have black eye, sis. This is my oh yeah, Rosanna doesn't know I have a YouTube channel. I have to tell her that. This is me and my best friend Rosanna, Alondra, me. I remember taking this photo. Memories. Quite unicorn. I should erase that because I don't really need it. Cute emoji. Alondra taking a selfie. No, I'm not kidding. I left the iPod with her because she was watching I left her with the iPod so she could watch her video. She swiped out and took a selfie, which is real cute. And then this is me. And then I put a cute t-shirt of emojis, which is real cute. And then this is the one from my screen. This is my sister. By the way, those are fake glasses. That's just, yeah. By the way, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I couldn't make another channel. I tried so hard. I tried to do it on my phone, so it'll be more easier because this is a huge camera. So far, I wanted to make it on my phone. I want to make videos on my phone, and then once I get a new camera, because I don't want to be carrying this big camera all around, so I don't want to do that. This is like really bad. I just really want to do it on my phone, and hopefully I could find a way to do that. And if I do, then I'll tell you guys. And I don't want to do it on this camera. I was like, oh no, why don't you use that one more? You do that, which I don't want to do that. Sorry for the background noise. My sister's watching something. Yeah. Sorry if it's night for you, and it's kind of like afternoon for me. Ignore this because it's like one of the things that I need to get done. It's like a rolling garment rack, and it's really cute. It's like pink, like pastel white and pastel pink. Real cute. And yeah, I don't know pastel. Okay. So yeah, thanks for watching, and Remember, you're more than one kind.